Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Easy Electrical Engineering. Like, subscribe and share. The topic of the today's lecture is transducer. Transducer is a device which is used to convert one form of energy to the other form of energy. Generally, non-electrical energy is converted into electrical energy. Normally known example of the transducers are thermometer, loudspeaker, microphone, etc. Some of my friends are having doubt between sensor and transducer. The main difference between a sensor and a transducer is that a sensor senses the difference or change in the environment they are exposed to and gives an output in the same format, whereas a transducer takes a measurement in one form and convert it to another. Transducers are classified into two types. First one, primary and secondary transducer. Second, active and passive transducer. Primary transducer. Primary transducers are those devices which actually sense the parameter under the measurement. These are generally mechanical transducers which convert the sense parameter into mechanical signal. Example: bellow tube, Bourdon tube, diaphragm, capsule, etc. Secondary transducer. It is used for conversion of mechanical signal from the output of primary transducer into electrical signal. Example: LVDT, which is linear variable differential transformer. Now the second type, active and passive transducer. First, active transducer. These are those devices which do not require an external source of electrical supply, as the output of these devices is an electrical signal itself. Therefore, they are also known as self-generating devices. Example: piezoelectric material, thermocouple, photovoltaic cell. Whereas passive transducer, these are those devices which require an external source of electrical supply to indicate their output. Example: LVDT, strain gauge, thermistor, etc. Thanks for your likes. Do not forget to subscribe. Namaste.